up, everyone? This is Gameplay 5 or Gameplay 6. So I actually made this beat. Never mind. Anyway, Gameplay 5. Alright, so this is how it's made. McDonald's food.
Burger that hits all the right spots.
McDonald's food. So we're going to react to this video how it's made. Can y'all hear on
Well,
me?
you're in for a treat because today we're diving into the fascinating world of In-N-Out Burger, one of America's most beloved fast food chains. Get ready to go behind the scenes and uncover the secrets behind their iconic creations. I'm your host, your name, and this is how it's made. In-N-Out Burger. In-N-Out Burger isn't just an ordinary fast food joint. It's a legendary establishment that has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions across the nation. From its humble beginnings to its unwavering commitment to quality, In-N-Out has built a reputation that stands the test of time. So, if you've ever wondered how they create those delectable burgers that keep you coming back for more, to find out. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind their delicious offerings, explore the meticulous process of burger assembly, and get a glimpse into the unique culture that sets In-N-Out Burger apart from the rest. So, whether you're a die-hard fan or just curious about what makes these burgers so special, join us on this flavorful journey as we reveal how it's made, In-N-Out Burger. But before we dive into the kitchen, let's take a quick trip back in time to discover the origins of this iconic establishment. Are you ready? Let's get started. In order to truly understand the magic behind
Wait, I clicked on the wrong video. Oh my goodness. Me. Oh my goodness, silly me. I clicked on the wrong video. One sec. Yeah, so I guess who wants to know how? See. Well, we're gonna see how Doritos are made. Alright, let's see how Doritos are made.
Of how it's made, where we take a behind-the-scenes look at how some of your favorite products are manufactured. Today, we're diving into the world of snacks to uncover the secrets behind the beloved Doritos chips. Have you ever found yourself reaching for a bag of these crispy, cheesy chips during a movie night or a road trip? Well,
yes,
you're not
yes
alone.
Indeed.
Doritos chips have been a fan favorite
My favorite
in the 1960s, and their popularity continues to grow to this day.
How is it made?
Wondered how they're made? From the sourcing of corn to the final packaging, we'll take you through each step of the intricate process. So sit back, relax, and get ready to satisfy your curiosity about the production of this snack time staple. The first step in the production of Doritos chips is the sourcing and processing of corn into masa, a dough made from cornmeal that is the base of the chips. The corn is
they make corn out of Doritos? What?
From farms and transported to the manufacturing plant, where it undergoes a series of steps to turn it into masa. The corn is first washed and then soaked in lime. This process, known as nixtamalization, softens the corn and removes its outer layer, making it easier to grind. The soaked corn is then drained and ground into a fine masa using specialized machinery. During the grinding process, quality control measures are taken to ensure that the masa...
What I know? I didn't... Who knew Doritos was made by corn? Let me know in the comments.
...is of the highest quality. The consistency and texture of the masa are crucial to the overall quality of the final product. The temperature and moisture levels are also closely monitored to ensure that the masa is not over or undercooked. Once the masa is produced, it is transferred to a machine that shapes it into the iconic Doritos triangle. The machine uses a mold to cut the masa into uniform triangles, which are then collected and set for frying. The importance of quality control in the masa production cannot be overstated. Any inconsistencies or imperfections in the masa can result in chips that are unevenly cooked or have a poor texture, which can affect the taste and overall quality of the product. In conclusion, the process of turning...
Before we continue, this was supposed to be how McDonald's food is made, but now let's switch up how Doritos are made. So
to masa is the crucial first step in the production of Doritos chips. The careful sourcing, soaking, grinding...
Why does it look like popcorn for some reason in first stage?
The next step in the process is frying and flavoring the chips,
We'll
explore in the next section. Once the masa is shaped into the iconic triangle shape, it is time for the chips to be cut and prepared for frying.
Yes.
The cutting process is a critical step in ensuring that the chips are of a uniform size and shape. The machine used for cutting the chips uses a die to create the triangular shape, and the size of the die determines the size of the chips. The chips are then separated and sent through a conveyor belt to the frying stage. During the cutting process, quality control measures are taken to ensure that the chips are not too thick or too thin, and that they are of a uniform size and shape. Any chips that do not meet the standards are removed from the production line.
Oh wow.
The cutting process is done using...
It's like, okay, you get A+, you get F, get out of the school, you don't get your scholarship. That sounds like now, I guess, for Doritos.
Specialized machinery that is designed to handle the delicate mesa without damaging it. The cutting blades are sharpened and maintained regularly to ensure that they are working efficiently. It is important to note that the Doritos chips are not only available in the classic triangle shape, but also in other shapes like rounds, squares, and rectangles. The cutting process is adjusted accordingly to create the desired shape. In conclusion, the shaping and cutting of the masa are important steps in the production of Doritos chips. The specialized machinery used in the cutting process ensures that the chips are of a uniform size and shape, which is crucial for the frying stage. The next step in the process is frying and flavoring the chips, which we will explore in the next section. The frying and flavoring stage is where the Doritos chips really come to life. Once the chips have been cut to size, they are fried in vegetable oil at a high temperature. The frying process is closely monitored to ensure that the chips are cooked evenly and to prevent them from burning. The temperature of the oil is also critical to the final product's quality. If the oil temperature is too low, the chips will not cook evenly, resulting in some chips being undercooked while others are overcooked. If the temperature is too high, the chips may burn, affecting their flavor and texture. After frying, the chips are drained of excess oil.
So why do they fry corn and make it into chips? That's my question now.
Seasoned with various spices and flavorings. The seasoning is added while the chips are still warm, which allows the flavor to penetrate the chips and gives them their signature taste. The different flavors of Doritos chips, such as nacho cheese...
Okay, so corn is the worst flavor. If you don't... That's my opinion. Nacho cheese is one of the best.
Cool Ranch and spicy chili are created by using different combinations of spices and flavorings. The exact recipe for each flavor is a closely guarded secret, known only to a select few. Quality control measures are taken during the seasoning process to ensure that the chips are evenly coated and that the seasoning is of the highest quality. The chips are also weighed to ensure that they meet the correct weight specifications. Once the chips are seasoned, they are transferred to a packaging machine, where they are sealed in airtight bags to maintain their freshness and quality. The bags are then packed into boxes and sent for distribution to stores worldwide. It is important to note that the manufacturing process of Doritos chips involves several safety and hygiene measures to ensure that the product is safe for consumption.
I didn't know there are
These measures include regular cleaning and sanitation of the machinery and production area, and the use of protective equipment by workers. In conclusion, the frying and flavoring stage is where the Doritos chips get their unique
it's glitching.
The frying process is carefully monitored to ensure that the chips are cooked evenly, while the seasoning process uses a blend of secret spices to create the various flavors. The final step in the process is packaging and distribution, which we will explore in the next section. The packaging and distribution stage is the final step in the production of Doritos chips. Once the chips have been fried, seasoned, and weighed, they are transferred to a packaging machine.
Don't forget that.
Bags to maintain their freshness and quality. The bags are made of high-quality materials that are designed to protect the chips from air, moisture, and other contaminants. The bags are also designed to be easy to open and reseal, allowing consumers to enjoy the chips over several sittings. Once the bags have been sealed, they are packed into boxes, which are then loaded onto trucks and shipped to distribution centers around the world.
I think we all know that.
The distribution centers then send the boxes to retail stores where consumers can purchase them. The distribution
that makes me want to have some right now.
to ensure that the chips are delivered to stores in a timely and efficient manner. Quality control measures are also taken during the distribution process to ensure that the chips are not damaged during transportation.
Delivered to stores. Everyone likes it so much they have to make sure it's not damaged.
The packaging and distribution stage also plays an important role in marketing and branding. The bags are designed to be eye-catching and distinctive, with bold colors and graphics that help to attract consumers.
3D Crunch Spicy Ranch Doritos.
Hey, talkies. The distribution stage is the final step in the production of Doritos chips. The bags are designed to protect the chips from air, moisture, and other contaminants, and the distribution process is closely monitored to ensure that the chips are delivered to stores in their
It's like in school, the chips just get monitored.
The popularity and success of Doritos chips are a testament to the intricate and detailed manufacturing process that goes into producing this beloved snack. In conclusion, the manufacturing process of Doritos chips is an intricate and detailed process that involves several stages, including turning corn into mesa, shaping and cutting the mesa, frying and flavoring the chips, and packaging.
So basically, is this a recap?
Each stage of the process is critical in ensuring that the chips are of the highest quality and meet the company's standards. From sourcing the best quality corn to using specialized machinery to shape and cut the mesa, every step of the process requires intricate and detailed manufacturing process.
Yeah, that's a recap anyway. The recap being what they're always talking about. So, who knew corn was the first ingredient to Doritos? Who knew that? I'm very shocked myself, even though this is supposed to be about McDonald's food. Let me go ahead and just ring and subscribe to them. Good job. Anyway, well, that's gonna be it for today. This is Gameplay 5 with Gameplay 6 signing out today. I hope y'all good night, good evening, good afternoon, or good day. Catch y'all next time.